Hello kids, welcome to Ishita Chalk Talk. Let's learn the alphabets A to Z with words. Are you ready? Let's start. A for apple. B for ball. C for cat. D for dog. E for elephant. F for fish. G for grapes. H for hat. I for ice cream. J for jug. K for kite. L for lion. M for mango. N for nest. O for orange. P for parrot. Q for queen. R for rabbit. S for sun. T for tiger. U for umbrella. V for van. W for watch. X for xylophone. Y for yak. Z for zebra. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more videos. Bye bye.